Once the online factory profile has loaded, you will have access to the questions. The invitation to fill in the ICS factory profile can either be sent as part of the ICS audit process or independently. If your factory had previously been audited by ICS, certain questions will already be answered. The questions that are marked with an asterisk are obligatory. So for example, you would need to provide the photo of the main entrance of the manufacturing plant, the factory name in English and in the local language, the name of the country, the factory address in both English and the local language, GPS coordinates. The link to the GPS coordinates is right here if you're not sure of your GPS coordinates. The total manpower, all categories of workers plus the management staff, both male and female, and the total manpower in peak seasons, both male and female. Certain information on the internal production processes. Here you would need to declare all production processes, even those that are not used for the current order of the ICS member that requested the audit or that requested you to fill in the factory profile online. To add information on a production process, simply click here on the button Add a Production Process. Choose one, so for example, bleaching, the building number, the building address, how many floors there are, so for example 1, and how many square meters, the surface. You would also need to provide information on the external production processes. So these are the production processes that you have subcontracted to another company. So once again, in order to add one, just click here on the button Add a Production Process. Let's say you do canning. Here the name of the subcontractor, their name in the local language, their subcontracting rank, for example 5, the name of their parent company. So if this is subcontracting rank 5, you would need to put in the name of the company that is the subcontracting rank 4. So the first company that is upstream in relation to this subcontractor. So subcontractor tier 4. Where they are located, so for example in Afghanistan, their detailed address in English and in the local language, the city they are located in, their province if there are any province in this country, the name of the subcontractor's contact, the email, and the email of the supplier. If you wish to remove any information, simply click on Remove. You would need to then do the same for the raw material supplier. So here, any raw materials that your company uses, for example, any cotton, any types of metal, cocoa, grains, vegetables, and so on and so on. Others that are obligatory is the question on the company management and any previous ICS audits. So here, for the company management, you would need to put in the name of the contact persons, either the factory manager, the quality manager, social compliance, environmental compliance manager, their name, email, telephone number, and job title. If the factory had been previously audited, so yes or no for ICS. Certain other questions right here, as you can see. So there are 83 questions in total. And once you have completed all the 83 questions, you can scroll all the way down right here, coming to 83, and click on Complete. So if we scroll up, we can see that the database has said Document Merged, meaning that you have now completed your factory profile online.